Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I got a very exciting package and I thought I would share it with you. Obviously I've only tried one product out of this so far and I really liked it. But anyway, it is from Drunk Elephant, which if you don't know is an American skincare brand, and they are known for not having any of the chemical 6 in, I think that's the right wording, which are the things like fragrance and basically things that can irritate your skin that skincare doesn't really need in. If you haven't been watching my channel for that long, you will know that I absolutely love trying new skincare. My skin is not the best and I'm always trying to find things that suit it. And my skin type is oily. It can be a little sensitive to things, so I am quite careful with what I use. So yeah, I'll just get in with showing you what I got. It did come in this big box as well. And then this is the box inside. How gorgeous is that? It's so unique. And then it was wrapped up in here. So what they sent me is this, which is the little, so you get a little sample size of 5 of the products. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 8. You get a little sample size of 8 of the products, and these are some of their best sellers. And it actually comes in a little bag as well. But how gorgeous is the packaging though? I love all like the neon colours that are used, like for the symbol, the names. And at the back is obviously bright pink as well, so this tells you what each product is, and also the ingredients is in all of this, which is really good, so you know exactly what's in everything. And then this is a little bag, obviously you unzip it, and it also has the little Drunk Elephant symbol on there. What I thought was really good with this is it came with this little booklet as well, and it says you must read, and it's got a note from the founder. So it basically just tells you like what her skin was like to start with and why she started Drunk Elephant, which I think is really good. And oh yeah, she calls them the Suspicious 6, which is, and these are not in any of their products at all. And she said once she started using the things without these 6 ingredients, her skin started to be more healthy, it was more balanced, basically what the dream skin is like, I'm guessing. So I'm really hoping that this is going to work for my skin, because I do not have the best skin. Like right now I have foundation on, it doesn't look that bad, and also the camera sort of blurs a bit anyway, but yeah, it's not brilliant, especially with it going into winter as well. These are all the products inside, so I'm just going to go through each one, and I will actually just start with the one that I used, which is the Prontini Polypeptide Cream. I think I'm saying that right. And this is a moisturiser. I've actually just used this under foundation and it worked so well. Like, it didn't slide off anywhere and my skin felt really nice. You can also use this on your neck and chest, so that's basically what you can use a moisturiser on anyway. And it's sort of like a gel formula inside. I'm not actually going to open it because I don't want it to go everywhere. But it sort of goes into more of a cream when you start putting it onto your face. It sort of warms to your skin. So yeah, I'm really excited to keep using that. I find moisturiser one of the hardest things to find for my skin, so I'm hoping that this will work. Next we have the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. So you gently pat a pump of this around your eye and use your ring finger, which is basically the same as what normal. But yeah, I'm always after new eye creams. I've got a few that work, but I always find them quite oily, and obviously already having oily skin is not perfect. This also has 5 different forms of vitamin C and cucumber extract. I've been using vitamin C so much and I've seen such a difference in my skin, but obviously I've not really been using it on my eyes because I've not had an eye cream that has it in. Basically it's designed to refresh and restore a radiant appearance. So this is going to be really good if you have dark circles under your eyes. As you can see, I do right now. I don't look brilliant. With it being brightening, I am very excited to see how that works. Also, how cute is it? Like, all the packaging is just gorgeous. I love that each one has like a different colour lid, and they're just going to look so gorgeous like on the bathroom counter or something. But also it's very simple, like it just has what you need on it. It has the ingredients and it has the name. You don't need anything else, you don't need all these fancy things on it. But anyway, this is the next one. This is TLC Bamboo's Glycolic Night Serum, and this is AHA and BHA blend with raspberry extract. So this is to help restore dull and congested skin, as with glycolic acid that acts like a natural exfoliator. I actually use that already and I have seen such a massive difference using it, but obviously I am going to try this one as it is just a night serum. So basically it helps with your skin tone, it can help with fine lines and wrinkles, it can make pores look slightly small. Obviously nothing can get rid of them if they're large anyway. I think I might actually try this on tonight because I am quite intrigued to see how this one works. Next up is the C Firmer Day Serum. So this is the one to use in the day and that last one was to use at night. I probably should have done them the other way around, but never mind. And this actually has pumpkin extract in, so that might actually make it smell really nice. It also has vitamin C already in it, which helps reveal a brighter and firmer and more even looking complexion, which I think is really good, especially if you have like dark spots, maybe like acne scars. Anything that has vitamin C in will make it look brighter, especially if you keep using it over time. And like I said, this does actually have vitamin C in it. It also has the C Firmer, also helps to dissolve the skin surface dead cells as it hydrates them, which is really good. So it's sort of like a little bit of an exfoliator, I'm guessing, if it's getting rid of dead skin cells. But either way, this would be really good under foundation as well. I should have tried it, but I forgot and I didn't really know that's what it was for. But either way, that'll be soon going on my face. This is a Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, and this is 100% unrefined. You only need 2 to 3 drops to cover your face, neck, chest, hands and cuticles. You can also use it on the back of your arms or any place needing increased moisturiser without greasy residue. That's really good. So that means it's not going to be really greasy, it's going to sink into your skin quite quickly, which I find a lot of oils don't. They sort of just sit there, which isn't really very good, especially if you're using them at night. And it says the Virgin Marula oil is rehab for your skin. It has antioxidants, omega-6 and 9, nourishes and balances and restores a youthful glow. So it's going to give like a very natural glow to your skin, very youthful look, which is really good. And it's 100% unrefined because it is used straight from it. So that means it isn't really touched by any chemicals or fragrances, which is what Drunk Elephant are known for not using anyway. And this can also be used on all skin, even the most sensitive, which is amazing. Next we have this, which is the Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sun Cream with SPF 30. That is amazing. I've been looking for a new SPF. And with SPF 30 as well, that is quite strong. So that is very good for every single day. And you can wear this underneath foundation as well, or instead of if you're not wearing it. And it has UVA and UVB protection, and it's loaded with antioxidants such as grape juice and sunflower shoot to minimise the appearance of photoaging for a more youthful looking complexion. And it also says it has a very hint of a tint, which is really good, especially if you're wearing it on its own if you don't want any foundation. It can also minimise the look of fine lines and wrinkles, so your skin looks more healthy. And you should apply this every morning onto your face, neck, chest and the back of your hands, as that's where the skin is its most thinnest. The extra bit of protection anyway. This is the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and this has pineapple cremide and provitamin B5. And it says on this it's like a cool drink of water for your thirsty skin, and it's ultra hydrating, so that is really good, especially if you have dry skin. This is going to help you. And obviously as it is a serum, you use it on your face, neck, chest, hands, or any place that needs just an extra little bit. So maybe like your knees or something, elbows, anywhere that gets particularly dry. I think that would be really good. It can also help with the appearance of fine lines and drabness. So basically if your skin's looking a bit dark and not brilliant, this can sort of help bring it back to life again. And then lastly we have the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. I'm in everything to do with cleansers, I'm all in. But I've never actually used one that's a jelly. So that is really unique. A jelly one. I wonder how that removes makeup. I hope it works because I really want to try that. It says this removes all traces of makeup, excess oil, pollution and any other grime from the day. So that means it's really good, especially if you live maybe in a city or something and you get a lot of pollution and things like that on your face and grime without you really seeing it. This should be able to get rid of it all. And it says it's free of SALs, fragrance and essential oils. It's appropriate for all skin, which is really good because a lot of cleansers are made just for dry skin or just for oily skin. So that's really good, you can use it on them all. Oh, it smells nice. It smells a bit like melon, but then again it does say it has cantaloupe glycerin in it. So cantaloupe is a type of melon, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. Anyway, that is all the little items you get in this little bag, which I think is actually quite a lot. You have enough there, and the products are in good enough size that you have enough to really use for maybe a month. So that is a good way to try out skincare. A lot of skincare you can't get in these little sizes, so it is annoying if it doesn't work for your skin. You spent a lot of money. But I think having the option to try 8 different products from Drunk Elephant in one, I think that is really, really good, and it's such a good way to do it, especially when it comes in the little bag as well. And obviously you get the little booklet which tells you everything you need to know about all of them, including the ones that they don't include, as each country has different things in it. But yeah, I'm actually going to try all of these out for a month or until they run out. I'm not entirely sure how long these last for, and I am going to get back to you with an updated review showing you how they worked on my skin, see what I think of them. Obviously I've already tried the moisturiser and I'm a fan. I can tell you that straight away. But yeah, you have to let me know if you tried anything from Drunk Elephant before, and if there's anything you would recommend. Like I said, my skin is oily and sensitive. They are the 2 main things, and it does break out quite a bit. Oh, and large pores, I forgot about that. Don't know how I could forget them, but I did. But yeah, if you've ever tried Drunk Elephant, you have to let me know what you think of it, and maybe what I should try, what you think of these products in particular. I am definitely intrigued to find out. And also thank you so much to Drunk Elephant for sending me this. I am very grateful. I'm very excited to try these out. So like I said, I will be back with you in a month on how these worked for my skin and what I really think of them. So I hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss that next video as well. And I'll see you soon with another. Bye!